Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm in my backyard. It's Sunday morning. We're actually going to drain the pool today because it's been a couple of years, and running a sump pump and doing all that jazz. You can see our pool. It's very nice. You know what I wanted to talk about today? I was listening to some other online marketers, and they were talking about when new entrepreneurs want to do something, they ask what, they ask how, and then more importantly, they got to ask who. So lots of people want to start their own businesses. They have an idea of what they want to do, and that's obviously the most important part. That's the step, right? You got to know what you want to do. But then you have to know how to do that. And so lots of people will take the time to research and do everything they need to do in order to learn the what aspect of it. And that is obviously super important. But what I have found to be even more important than the what is who. Who is going to help me or help you get to the goals and the end results that you're looking for. And after doing online marketing for myself for, for over 4 years, you know, and I spent, well, now it's been like 6 years, but no, I guess it's been 5 years. But the first, I would say 4, I really spent struggling where I was trying to figure out everything myself. I was too cheap to pay for a guide. And what I didn't realize was that hiring someone who's been through it, who's done it before, would dramatically increase my success quickly. And so I encourage you to think about the who can help you get to the end result that you're looking for, whether it's an online business or anything else. You know, hey, I hope it's an online business and you want me and my mentors to help you along the path. But whatever it is, whatever your goals are, whatever you're trying to set out to accomplish and achieve, ask the who question, because I promise you, following those who've been there before you will dramatically increase the rate of success and, you know, put the money in your pocket and the free time on your calendar and all the things that you want faster. So what is important? How is important? But who is potentially the most important, because it can save you so many mistakes, so much time and so much money. And that's probably one of the biggest things I learned over the last several years is if I'd have just reached out for help, I would have saved a lot of time and a lot of money. So anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.